Hi everyone, in this video I'll be discussing Factory 5's Cobras, Daytona 65, and 33 hot rod kits. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about building a kit car and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notifications button below, and share with others on social media. If you have not seen my last few videos leading up to this one, please go to the links below to see how I started my journey. Well, if you saw my last few videos, you now know that I'm jumping around with my research on what car to build. And it went from Lamborghini to GTM to an 818, and now I'm looking at other Factory 5 cars. I know I'm with the right company. I like what they do, I like what they stand for, but I really need to build something that I am passionate about. And obviously I like supercars, and this is where this all started, but it's just too expensive for me. So the other options left for me are the Factory 5 Cobra Roadster, the Daytona 65 Coupe, and the 33 Hot Rod. Now, even though Factory 5 is the top maker of Cobras, the Cobra's never really done it for me. I'm not saying I won't build one sometime, but I just have no interest at the moment. Right now, it's just not my thing. So that leaves that out. The 65 Coupe reminds me of a E-Type Jaguar, which is really cool. But it's really another race car, and I told you my recent experience with racing in the last video, so no, that's not going to happen. So that leaves the 33 Hot Rod. Now, my biggest hesitation is that it's not a supercar. And I'm trying to get rid of that supercar identity crisis issue that I've created for myself and give this one a shot. Now, with all the hot rod kits I've seen out there, they are vintage type looking cars. They're not cool. Well, you know, they're vintage. I mean, I guess they're cool, but they're not sexy cool. You know, straight vertical front grills and solid paint and, you know, just kind of plain Jane to me. So as I go over to this 33 Hot Rod and I'm looking at it, we got some cool lines. The slope front grille kind of sells it for me. It's not boring at all. And out of all the cars Factory 5 makes, this is super customizable. Besides being a coupe, a roadster, or a convertible, it could have no engine size or no hood either, or fully enclosed, or full fendered, or no fenders, or bike fenders. You could even put a engine where it's basically hanging out of the sides, or, I mean, the list just goes on. And so this might be kind of a perfect playground for what I'm doing, and yes, it's not a supercar, but it's definitely cool. And I don't already own something like it, which is kind of the problem I have with some of the other cars. And so I could actually put heat and AC in it, and since I live in Arizona, that's a pretty huge thing. It's either freezing or it's super hot. You know, there's kind of no in between except for, you know, a few weeks out of the year. So I'm going to dig in a little more with this and get back to you, but it looks like this might be a winner for me. So please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share online, and until next time, have a great day.